Bonjour tout le monde. Today we're going to be talking about les pronoms possessifs. So for an overview, what we're going to be talking about today are possessive pronouns. So we're going to be talking about what a possessive pronoun is and when we should use one. And then we're going to just relate this to some English equivalents. And then we're going to talk about how you form one. And then lastly, we're going to just do some examples. So when to use a possessive pronoun. So we use these to indicate possession of an object. So as you see in the two pictures, there's a girl and she's pointing to herself. And then there's a ton of hands that are pointing to a guy. So this is just sort of to show that um, she's indicating that she's referring to herself, and then all those hands are referring to him. So the English equivalents that we have are saying mine, yours, his or hers, ours, and theirs. So for example, um, that cat is mine, or that house is theirs. So to form these, we can visualize this easily using some little tables. So first, we have to know that the article is determined by the gender and plurality of the object being referred to. So we have mine, yours, and his, hers, and its on this slide. And just to go through one, so let's do mine. So the M and F mean masculine and feminine, and the S and P mean singular or plural. So for mine, if the object being referred to is masculine and singular, it's le mien. And if it's singular and feminine, la mienne. If it's plural and masculine, les miens. And plural feminine, les miennes. And here's continuing on the formation. We have ours, yours, and theirs. And these are easier because we can notice that they're all the same. And the only thing that's different is the article. And then if it's plural, you just add an S. So let's do yours. So masculine and singular, le vôtre. And masculine and plural, les vôtres. And singular feminine, la vôtre, and feminine plural, les vôtres. And you can notice that the plural forms are the same and the singular forms just are different based on the article. So for some examples, so if someone, usually you can notice these based on if a question is asked. That's typically when they come in. So, c'est ton chien? Oui, il est le mien. Because le mien, the reason why we're using masculine singular is because that's referring to the dog. And ton chien, le chien, is, as we know, masculine and singular. So for the second one, est-ce que les clés d'Amélie? Oui, elles sont les siennes. So we're referring to les clés. And as we know, keys, or just key, la clé, is feminine. And because it's plural, les clés, we have to say les siennes. And for the last one, ce beau petit garçon, c'est le nôtre. Le nôtre is ours. And the reason why it's singular and masculine is because it's referring to the garçon. And boy, garçon, le garçon is masculine and singular. So to recap what we learned today, possessive pronouns are used to indicate that someone or something belongs to someone else. So we have, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. And the article is, remember, determined by the gender and plurality of the object being referred to.